students, how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am going to take your class 2 subject mathematics division work 2. In my previous class I have just give you a few questions from the subtraction addition. Today I am going to revise the chapter multiplication and the division. Here I have given few sums. The number 1 is fill in the boxes. A 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. As you know, the multiplication is the repeated addition of the number. So share here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 9 is there. So 4, 9 there means 4 into 9. So 4 into 9 is 4 9 is 36. And this one you can also write 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 4 9 is 36. Or 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is 36. Okay. So many ways you can write this. If you add the 4 9, then the number is 36. You got the 36. Answer is 36. And 4 times 9 is, which is also 36. And 9 into 4 is 36. This way you can do. Then number B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2 is there. So 5 into 2 is 10. And this one you can also write 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 into 5. This one you can also write 5 into 2. In both way you can write. Any one method you have to follow. If you write 2 into 5, then you have to follow the other sum. You have to do like that only. And if you write the 5 into 2, and you have to do the other sums like 5 into 2. Okay, you have to follow any one method. So 2 into 5 is 10. In both the method you can do. Then into 9. Then you can write here. Here the answer is 63. So what number you can write here? So you got the answer side. So what number you can multiply with 9 so that you can get the number 63. So you can count the table of 7. The 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63. Show in the table of 7. We have the number 63. Then dash divided by 18 equal to 0. What number you can divide with the 18 so that you get the number 0? This is 0. If you number any number if you divide with the 0, the answer will be 0. Number E. The 6 groups of 3 balls make 2 groups of balls. Here 6 groups of 3 balls means 6 groups in 6 groups. That means number of group is 6 and in each group 3 balls are there. I will just show you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here number of groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many groups are there? 6 groups are there, and in each group 3 balls are there. So you can count total number of balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in 6 groups of the balls, total number of balls are 80. Or you can write multiply it. 6 into 3 is 80. So if it is 2 groups, so how many balls in the 2 groups you will write so that the answer will be 80. So here in 2 groups how many balls you can write? If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Like this way you can draw. One, two, three. Okay. So in there are two groups, and in each group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls are there. To show the total number of balls are here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you can write here 18. So this group of 3 balls is 18, and it makes the 2 groups of 9 balls. It will also 18. So you can do like this. Then 12 times 3 equal to, yes, 12 times 3 means to write 3 plus 3 plus 3. I have written into, it will not into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you can write 12 into 3 is 36. 36. So you have to find this number also. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6. It will be 6. Or you can write 6 into 6 is 36. So here the answer will be 6. Like this way you can do. Then in the number line, see, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12, or 4 into 3 is 12. So this one you have to show in the number line. So just start from 0. 3, 0. Then after that, this the 0 to 3, 3 to 6 is 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, you can write here. So here the answer will be 12. 4 times 3 is 12, or 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay. Then number B, 20 divided by 2. Here you have to, as in the division, the repeated subtraction, you can repeated subtraction of a number is known as division, you can say. So show if you just subtract 2 to 20 times, how much we get, just see. Start from 20, as we have to count from the right side to left side. So 1, 1, 2, it's 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again minus 2. Jump here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we have to subtract 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we can write the 20 divided by 2 is 10. How many times? we have to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer will be 10. So, like this way you have to do the number lines. For today I just finished my class. Thank you.